Hello everyone. How are you today? Okay. How are you? I hope everyone is doing fine at home. With me, your English teacher, Madam Lily. Okay, today we will learn grammar from Unit 5. Okay, for English Year 6. Our focus for today is simple past tense. Learning standards is 5.1.3 Able to use the verbs correctly and appropriately. Our learning objectives are pupils will be able to differentiate word classes with a satisfactory level of accuracy. Performance level 3. Okay, are you ready, class? Alright, let's start. Okay, rules for simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense always usually used with number one, regular actions, something that you always do. Number two, present time, meaning now. Okay, like me now, I'm teaching you now. All right. Number three, fact. Okay, fact means something that cannot be changed. Okay, it's always like that. For example, the sun. Okay, and then number four is habit. Okay, habit, something that we like to do, always do. Okay, that is our habit. Okay, look at this. Okay, pronouns. Okay, you look at the what color is this? The brown color. Okay, pronouns I, you, they, and we. Okay, I forgot to color this. Okay, okay. The action verbs for these pronouns is am, I am, cycle, you cycle, I cycle, they watch, they cycle, they study, we watch, we have, we go, okay, and also verb to be are, okay. The action verb here called plural. It remains the original verb and no changes in the sentence, okay. I will give you example later so you will understand more. Next one is singular. For example, number one, he. Okay, and then the name of someone. Okay, a boy, a man, Azroy. Okay, she, Laila. Okay, it, the cat, or the name of place or thing. Okay, example, he cycles, Azroy cycles, she goes, Laila watches, it has, it goes, it runs. Okay, and then name of place, maybe SK Subang. Okay, SK Subang has a beautiful garden, for example. And then verb to be is. You use is with this pronoun. He is, she is, it is. Okay, SK Subang is. Okay, for the first one is are. Okay, you are. But I cannot use are because it is special. It only comes with am. I am. Okay, I am beautiful. I am handsome. Okay, you are beautiful. You are handsome. Okay, so the action verb here change a bit. Okay, for singular, you have to add s, es, or ies. You look here. Okay, s, cycles, cycle, and then s, runs, studies, okay, ies, studies. Meanwhile here, it didn't change. You don't change it, okay? With this, you cannot change it. Okay, and then you also add es. For example, here, watches, go becomes goes. Okay, so that is the differences between action verb plural and action verb singular. This is very basic. Okay, I know you understand, but maybe you like to use mix up before this. Okay, I hope after you learn now, you don't mix up everything and then you have to use the proper simple past tense when you write or talk. Okay, class. Okay, next. Okay. Example 1. I brush my teeth every day. Okay, look here. I brush my teeth every day. Okay, I. This is I. Okay, me. This is me. This is I. I brush my teeth every day. This is example. Okay, next one. Okay, this is also she. Okay, we can also name it. Maybe the name is Fiona. Okay, she brushes her teeth every day. Okay, she brushes her teeth every day. So can you see the difference here? I brush. Brush, you don't change it, you don't change the verb, you just write it as it is. And then next here, brushes, you add es. Okay, you add es. This is a habit, our habit. We must brush our teeth every day, right? So don't put I brushes or she brush. Cannot use she brush, huh? You have to use she brushes. Understand, class? Okay, now we go to example 2. Okay, example 2, we. We, look at the yellow colored here. We, W-E-We. So we, 1 and 2 person. We cycle in the park every Saturday. We cycle in the park every Saturday. Can you see here? There is no S. You write as it is. As it is the verb. Okay, the original verb. No, you don't add anything. Okay, look at the next one. Errand. Errand means only one. See? One. Here is 2 person. Here is only 1 person. Aaron. Aaron cycles. You add S. Okay? Aaron cycles in the park every Saturday. Okay, can you see the differences? Okay, 2 person, no S. 1 person, you add S. Okay, this is regular actions. Okay, regular action, meaning that they go to the park every Saturday and cycle there. Same like here, Aaron goes to the park every Saturday and cycles there. Okay, this is called regular actions. Okay, now we look at example 3. Okay, it is hungry. Okay, the cat is hungry. You can use it is hungry or you can use the cat is hungry. You look at the cat. Okay, it looks so cute here. It is hungry. Okay, okay. Look at the next one. They are hungry. They are hungry. Two cats, two stray cats. They are hungry. Okay, you don't use is. You don't use is for they. Okay, this is verb to be. Okay, it is verb to be. It is, and then verb to be are. They are or we are. Do you understand? Okay. One use is, two or more you use are. Okay. This is called verb to be. Verb to be. Is or are. Only 2 words. Is or are. Okay. Don't put was or were because this is simple present tense, not past tense. This is present tense. Only is and are. Do you understand, class? Okay. Now we go to example number. Okay. Before that, this is present time. Present, now it is hungry, so hungry, so it is eating. It is eating food from the table. Okay, see, they are eating. Okay, next one, example 4. Okay, the sun. Okay, this is sun. The sun. Okay, sun rises in the east, and sets in the west. Okay, rise. This is sunrise, rises. Okay, here set. Okay, so this is morning and then this is evening. Rise mean morning, in the morning, and sets is in the evening. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, do you understand, class? Don't write any other verb with the sun, okay? Because it's only used rise and set. In morning we call sunrise and in evening we call sunset. So rises and sets, okay, when you talk about the sun. Okay, do you understand? Very good, class. Okay, so this is a fact. Okay, facta. Okay, the sun only rise from the east, in the east, and it will set in the west. It's not vice versa. No, no. The sun cannot be rise from the west. It must rise from the east. Okay. Okay, next we look at the practice one on page 49 in your English textbook. Okay, you have to remember the rules of the simple present tense. Plural, no changes in verb. Verb to be are, I, we, they. And then singular, at s, es, or ies. And then verb to be is. Okay, verb to be for singular is. Verb to be for plural are. Okay, you have to remember this. If you remember this, then you will master it later. Okay? Okay, look at the first one. Okay, we'll read together. Dear Edith, how are you? I hope that you are fine. As you. Okay, you. You here is plural or singular. Okay, you is one person, but it is plural. So what is the answer for this? As you, okay, in the bracket is no. The verb is no. What is the answer? Do you need to add s or es or ies? Okay, very good. The answer is no. As you know, my family and I are at Krabi, Thailand. You don't put anything here, huh? No changes, no changes in verb. Okay, Krabi. Okay, Krabi be. Be mean verb to be. Verb to be is or verb to be are. Okay, Krabi is a name of place, right? So, what is the answer? Very good. Is. Krabi is a small town. Don't put Krabi a small town, huh? Because it's only one Krabi name of place. Okay, next one. Every morning, my family and I, okay? My family and I means more than one. So it is we. So plural, huh? Don't change the verb. Wake. Okay, wake up early to see the sunrise. And we again jog. Okay, we here. Because don't change it, don't change. Okay, jog. Jog along the sea. Then we again. Okay, we here again, plural. Huh? Then we eat breakfast at a cafe. Okay. My father. Is it here or here? Yes, correct. Singular. Huh? My father, he. Okay, he. Okay, my father orders. Yes, you add S. Orders local coffee. The coffee. Okay, the coffee. Is it here or here? Eat, right? Eat. So, the verb to be is. Okay. Here is aromatic and tasty. People in Krabi. Okay, people. More than one, right? People. So, no, it is plural. Are very friendly. They always, here they always smile at us. Many tourists love to come to Krabi. They again, plural, like to buy clothes and souvenirs. Hope you are having a good time too. We will be back home next Monday. Till we meet again, love, Leanne. Do you understand, class? Okay. You can watch this video later also. You can replay it as many times as you want so that you will understand better. Alright, class? Okay, very good. Remember plural and singular rules. Ah. Okay, next one. Okay, practice 2 on page 49. Complete the story with the correct verbs in simple present tense. The first and second paragraphs have been done for you. Okay, this is Mr. Jaspal's daily routine. Write sentences based on the pictures. Use simple present tense. Okay, I have done first paragraph and second paragraph for you. You have to write your own third paragraph. Alright? Okay, using the last picture, last information in the last picture. Okay, here. Send hotel after tour. I hope you can make it like this. Okay, you look here. Okay, here it's right, Mr. Jaspal, tourist guide. But I wrote it for you, Mr. Jaspal. Be means verb to be, right? Mr. Jaspal, is it plural or singular. So you turn back to previous page, and then, or maybe you remember Mr. Jaspal is a what, a man, one person, right? So yeah, you can use he also. So verb to be here is. Okay, a tourist guide, he what, in Kuala Lumpur, work in Kuala Lumpur. There is no information here, but we can write it ourselves because this is a story. So you can make your own story as long as it is relevant to the situation. Okay, and then after okay, when you write this when you write this in your book letter, make sure you write first paragraph first, after that second, and then third one you have to make it yourself. All right, class, you can refer to page 49 in your textbook, and then you can refer to my video also, so that you will not lose any miss anything. All right, okay, class, I hope after you finish it, you can send it to the school. I will take it on next Monday, and snap it to me also. I want to see whether you do it or not, and make sure you do it. And then you send it to me through my personal WhatsApp. And then don't be lazy and stay safe. All right, class. Okay, that is the end. Thank you. Stay safe, everyone. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. All right, class. See you soon. Goodbye.